Good morning, traders. Amazing to be with you on this bright Tuesday morning. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. This is the short that played out earlier this morning that we're dissecting in every class with my students. You always and forever remember, you're focusing on quality trade. And when you're adding simplicity and precision, the sky's the limit. What's so important to recognize on this trade that I chose to project on 3-minute chart? We're in exact same place, but what is the difference? Trade is present before, there is no trade now. This was a powerful pullback, and when rules are met, intelligent trader taking a trade. This is not. This is weakness and junk. Your success starts from separating power from weakness. This is weakness, junky, bearish pullback. This was not. This was powerful. When rules are met and you take a trade, after each month you're adding a lot size. By the end of the year you're trading 10 lots. On this trade, if trader taking this trade, on average trader producing between 2 to 4 points. 6 to 8 points. 6 points on S&P mini future, on a single lot $300, on 10 lots $3,000. You do not need many trades. What you need is quality. That's it. You working away, your trading day is done. You're not staring at the screen, you're not trading junk. Junk versus power. You're using your limitless intelligent brain and you're seeing with a single glimpse. Only junk is present now, not power. This is what scanner looks like. Scanner giving us 0 alerts. Nothing is present, which means 0 reason to pull a trigger. That's it. So when you're using your limitless brain, you also understand when long played out in the market, it came from the bold green zone. When long played out in the market, it came from European session. Ultimate place to trade occurs 24/7. That's it. And that simplicity and power of the system. You zoom in as a sniper, you using your limitless intelligent brain. You understand at the bold green zone, you buying with institutions. At the bold red zone, you zooming in on retail pullback. This is institutional rally, this is retail. All the targets spelled out by volatility only. And when you're using pure price for entry and precise alpha Fibonacci for exits, the skies are the limit. And that's the software for NinjaTrader 8 that you can use on any instrument you choose. This fall, I'm setting up to release semi-automated software that I'm running tests on now, multiple strategies, where software placing trades for you, available only to the graduates of the course. But traders all over the world trading system without any software. Software came out in 2018, system traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, on platforms, no software required. This is proprietary tool you install on any platform you choose, on TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, MT4, MT5. This is where buyers stepped in from in European session. This is where sell-off had played out before, an hour before. But sell-off is weak and junky. So if I'm converting this chart to 5, this is the event. Extremely limited trading space, extremely weak retail pullback, but spectacular rally played out in European session. And that makes a world of difference, separating institutional rally versus junky retail pullback. Now there is nothing. Institutions keep adding to long positions. And that's the power of strategic intelligence system that intelligent trader prepares for each and every day. This is retail framework with proprietary levels, with proprietary tool. You can install all on time frames, all platforms, knowing quite well. Institutional rally continue with vengeance. It's just taking a little pause. Again, no software on this chart, but this chart reminding you again and again and again. Why Goldman sending me emails with offers? Not because of little retail chart, but because of this. So when you're using your limitless brain and you understand the power of proprietary alpha Fibonacci system, take advantage of the live classes, and when you do, all you have to do is make a decision. What instrument, what time frame, what platform you want to trade. The world is in shock, Nvidia is selling off, my goodness, but intelligent trader understands. This level present in the trading room for months, it's the ultimate workflow for Nvidia to the upside. But it's identical level as on S&P. So if the day trading is not for you, obey the rules and buy Nvidia at the bottom when rules are met. Obey the rules and buy Amazon at the bottom after catastrophic crash. Absolutely no software on this chart, but it's identical, precise level on Amazon as it played out on S&P mini future in overnight session, where an S&P staged 5-point retracement, but Amazon collapsed 65%. So when you can trade one, you can trade them all with alpha Fibonacci system, including Bitcoin. Bitcoin staged powerful bearish pullback, but retracing from 53,000 level all the way back up. So when you can trade one, you can trade them all. And of course, you can trade Forex. Phenomenal rally on pound. That's it. The sky's as a limit. You decide what you want to trade. So identical levels you witness on pound, on Bitcoin, on Amazon, on Nvidia, on any stock, on any instrument you choose to trade, is what you're witnessing in alpha Fibonacci trading room. Vicious rally on S&P continues. For retail trader, it's the ultimate test to separate weakness from power. And that's how you trade proprietary intelligent strategic alpha Fibonacci chess on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Software is never ever a requirement, but if you decide to day trade futures, software is a phenomenal tool. Identifies precise entry, stop and target, and when multiple alerts play out, it means power, and there is no multiple alerts, it means weakness. You are on sidelines. What instrument, what time frames, what platforms you decide to trade is absolutely your choice. And with a single glimpse, you can add any instrument, future, to the scanner. But as you could see on my scanner, traders all over the world trading these instruments. When I work in private mentoring, I concentrate on the instrument of your choice, including Vanguard, including Forex, including crypto. So please make a personal decision appropriate for you. And if you decide to trade stocks on Nasdaq or S&P or use options, you absolutely can, as it's done by traders all over the world since 2011, on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. You absolutely can day trade futures, and you can add any other instrument you choose, on daily, on weekly, on monthly. That's it. And that's strategic intelligent chess with ultimate weakness on S&P mini future at overextended bullish rally. So when the pullback in a play, intelligent trader prepared hours and days in advance. After all, we are at historical high. After all, we are at retail reversal zone, converting this chart to 1. Selling pressure zone. You also know far in advance, this is critical key brick wall to the downside. Exact same way as on Apple, as on Nvidia, as on Bitcoin, as on every instrument on this earth. If pure price exists, alpha Fibonacci applies. Currently, private mentoring being booked all the way through September and October. Sooner you sign up, more prepared you will be. It's my joy and honor having Amin with us in the trading room this morning. Amin just started private mentoring course. And then you come to the group classes when you can. You're trading markets as intelligent chess. And when you're using software for NinjaTrader 8, it's shown you with a single glimpse. Use your limitless brain. Do not buy red zone. And when rules are met, take short. That's it. That pure and simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. Can you do that? Sellers are worthless. It's only weakness. When you come to the website, the most powerful part are student stories all over the world. I just came back from London meeting with my students. I live and breathe what I do. I continue working with complete beginner trader Pablo, who closed his law practice and trading it all, trading stocks on TradeStation, trading oil, trading gold, trading S&P on Ninja. CEO is Legend, Australia, Spain, trading futures on Ninja, trading Forex MT4, MT5. Andy, hedge fund manager, bringing his son, 14-year-old Dominic trading Ninja DAO, thinking trading is the easiest thing on the planet, showing the world the simplicity of the system works. Andy managing multi-million-dollar accounts as a hedge fund manager. So every single trader here trades different instrument, different time frame, different platform. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. So please review everything on the website and see stories of traders all over the world. If these traders can do it, MT4, NinjaTrader, entirely different instruments, entirely different platforms all over the world. Our students meet winning trading competitions. So when you're ready to take charge of your trading and trade with ultimate precision, I look forward working with you. On the homepage, you can see summary of Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13-year anniversary. In November, it will be 14 years of me teaching traders all over the world. So please choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the day you sign up, we'll look at the schedule and discussing private mentoring sessions in advance. You have access to all group classes, video library modules. You do not have to come to live classes. Group course savings $5,000. This includes lifetime system for all platforms in every option. Option for Ninja, lifetime software, option 2 and 4. If you are not on NinjaTrader, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. So software showing you clearly. We're dealing with junky market. Price is stuck in pain. Trade is here. No trade here. Zero reason to pull a trigger. Use your intelligent, limitless brain. And that's the power of the system that you can use on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So I look forward to seeing you in institutional class this Thursday. I look forward working with you. Any questions for me? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.